So, David, our next Tenants Voice Cymru Forum is on June the 25th. The first one was a real success. It's an opportunity for tenants to hear from and to give their views to Mike Corrigan from Welsh Government, who is responsible for building safety. I think sometimes the tenants feel that the building safety is actually only relevant to those tenants who live in high-rise blocks of flats. But that isn't the case, is it?
No, certainly. And I know that rightly so after Grenfell, it should never have happened. There was a lot of attention on high-rise blocks and a lot of good works going on and continues to do that. But building safety is so much more than that, is electrical safety, gas, all sorts of things in your home. And your landlord is required by law to do a number of things to make sure your home is safe. And therefore, people like Mike Corrigan are really interested in where they look at the whole of the building, whole of the homes, and also the transparency of it as well. So things like, where can you find the risk assessments? Where can you find documents about your electrical certificates and things like that? I think that's the next phase of debate as to, should there be a tenant portal? Should there be a place where you can, if you wish to, see some of this transparency, some of these documents? The golden thread is the technical name for it. Or you might not, and it's your choice. So no, building safety is so much more than just high rises.
Yeah, and as you quite rightly said, yes, Grenfell was a tragedy, and this work has come about partly as a result of that. But just to reassure tenants that it really is, it applies to everybody. It is far wider, as David said, than just fire safety. So please join us, because Mike, I know, is really always keen to hear your views, and it is an opportunity for you to get your voice heard.
I think that's essential. Mike is one of the key players in Welsh Government on this subject. It's a chance for you to speak directly to him.
Yeah. Right. So we'll see you on the 25th of June, hopefully. Diolch yn
Yeah.
fawr. Thank you.